Good morning, students. Students, we have already done short answers, exercises and few long answers of this lesson. Only some long answers are left, which I'll give you this week. But today I just want to revise the lesson quickly with you so that you may learn things from inside. Matter. So first you are going to learn the definition of matter, volume, then the three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas, and how they can be changed from one state to another. This is one of the long answers we have already written, so you will learn that. Then we come over to, you will do the definition of molecule. Matter is made up of very small particles called molecules. Then definition of intermolecular force and intermolecular space. It's even given in points to remember. You will learn from there. Then we are going to start with the question of reasoning in this lesson. Like first one is, why solids have fixed shape and fixed volume? Because the molecules cannot move closer to or away from each other. Next is, why cutting an apple requires much stronger force than pouring of the cup of milk into different container. This is due to the strong cohesion. You require stronger force to cut the apple. Next is, why solids cannot be compressed? Because the intermolecular space in the solids is negligible, so the molecules cannot be pushed closer. Next is, why solids do not flow? Answer is given here. This is because the molecules are so tightly held that they cannot slip over one another. Then why solids expand or contract very little on being heated or cooled? This is because the molecules on being heated become more energetic and vibrate to a greater extent, and they do not leave their position entirely, and so the expansion is very small. And this is an activity to show that how the solids, they expand on heating and contract on being cooled. And why solids contract on being cooled? Reason is that because the molecules of the solid become less energetic and vibrate less about their position than usual. So this is the reason why solids contract on being cooled. Next is, why liquids, they have fixed shape? Because the molecules can slip over one another and settle down to assume the shape of the container in which the liquid is poured. And why liquids have fixed volume? Because the molecules cannot come closer to or move away from each other. Next is, why liquids can be compressed only to a small extent? Because the intermolecular space in the liquids is not very large, so the molecules can be pushed closer only to a limited extent. Then why can liquids flow? The intermolecular force being weak. The force between the molecules is very weak, and that is why the molecules can slip over one another. Then why liquids expand or contract more than solids? Because liquid on being heated, the molecules move more vigorously and go farther from each other, and the liquids expand. And Why they contract more than solids on being cooled? Because the molecules become less energetic and move less vigorously, and they come closer to and liquids contract.